Hey guys, we are super excited to be bringing you this video. It's a little bit different than what we usually post, but we have awesome, exciting news.
It is a super exciting thing that we're launching, and it is our first
YouGuide.
So you might be asking, what's a YouGuide and why is it so exciting? Well, a YouGuide is a collection of videos on a certain topic, and it's not just like a playlist. So it's curated, designed specifically to inform you about that topic, and it's interactive, searchable, and comes with a list, transcriptions, and all these good things so you can get your information on the spot right there.
So for our very first YouGuide, as you probably know, our focus in 2020 and into 2021 has been getting outdoors. With the pandemic, we said it's not about the destination, it's just about the adventure. Get outdoors and explore. So with our very first YouGuide, we have created our beginner's camping guide. And in that YouGuide, you're gonna find everything you need to know as a beginner camper. As Andy mentioned, this is not just a playlist. It's a curated guide that allows you to easily navigate through the guide and get your questions answered. You can literally type or talk to your phone with a specific question, and it'll tell you all of the points in our different videos that you can access that information. On top of the video content in the guide, you'll also gain access to PDF copies of checklists and gear lists and things that we use to go camping. And last but not least, you also have the ability to direct message us with any questions you may have. So if something is missing from the guide and you really need your question answered, you can send us a message.
Yeah, or maybe it's a very specific question like, how do I get this fighting squirrel and raccoon out from under my car? Send us a message.
We've included the link to our YouGuide in the description below. If you click on that link, it's just gonna pop you into a new window where you can purchase the guide. If you do want a little teaser trailer of what the YouGuide is going to entail, check out this next clip.
Hey, we're T and Andy, and we love to adventure. Although we work our 9-to-5 jobs, we do not believe that your life should be spent indoors and in front of a screen. The world has so much to offer, and all you have to do is go outside and just grab it.
Now, in this YouGuide, we're gonna give you everything you need to know as a beginner camper. We share all of our camping checklists, our tips and hacks that we use, as well as easy camping meals that we cook when we go camping. Along with the great content, some of the amazing tech features of YouGuide include voice-activated search to make hands-free searching as easy as possible. You'll also have full access to a table of contents to help you see and navigate the different sections and find ones that are important to you. And last but not least, you'll have the ability to easily jump to a topic.
So what are you waiting for?
Let's get you ready for your outdoor adventure.
So there you have it, guys. That's kind of the YouGuide in a snapshot. Go check it out. It's really, really helpful, especially if you are thinking about going camping but you don't really know what to do. This is perfect for you.
And stay tuned because we've got lots more YouGuides planned and coming your way.